If you're thinking about buying the Lora Hair 5-in-1 Multi-Styler Pro, because it looks like a budget-friendly alternative to premium styling tools, don't click that buy button just yet. The Lora Hair 5-in-1 has gained attention for offering multiple styling attachments in one device, including a curling barrel, smoothing brush, volumizing brush, and hair dryer attachment, making it appealing for people who want more versatility without paying premium prices. In terms of performance, it does a decent job on everyday styling, especially if your hair is already mostly dry before use. It creates soft curls, adds volume, and helps smooth frizz, but the results are not always as consistent or long-lasting as higher-end styling tools. Heat distribution is acceptable for normal use, although some users mention that styling thick, coarse, or very long hair takes more time and requires multiple passes to achieve the desired look. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold, and switching between attachments is simple, which is a nice convenience for beginners. On the downside, some customer reviews mention that the airflow isn't as powerful as expected. Curls may loosen after a few hours depending on hair type, and the build quality feels more budget-oriented than premium. It also lacks some of the advanced temperature control and intelligent airflow technology found in more expensive competitors. However, many buyers feel that for the price, it offers reasonable value if your expectations are realistic. It's not a miracle styling tool, and it won't completely replace premium options for everyone, but it can still handle everyday styling needs for many users. Overall, the Lora Hair 5-in-1 Multi-Styler Pro sits somewhere in the middle. It's neither an obvious scam nor an outstanding must-buy. If you want salon-level performance with maximum durability, you may be disappointed. But if you're looking for an affordable multi-styler for casual home use and understand its limitations, it can be a practical choice. The final decision really comes down to your budget, hair type, and expectations rather than the marketing claims.